everybody, today we're going to graph the quadratic function f of x equal -2 parentheses x plus 3 squared plus 8. Now the graph of this function is a parabola. Now the parabola opens downward because this is -2. So the parabola opens downward. Now to remind you of the equation of a function in standard form, that is f of x equal a x minus h squared plus k. If a is negative, then the parabola opens downward, and that's what we have here. A is -2. The vertex is h, k, and the axis of symmetry is x equal h, which is the x coordinate of the vertex. Now in our example here, the vertex is -3, 8, because if I were to rewrite this with this being a negative, just like I have it in my function here, I would have x minus -3 squared plus 8. So here is h, and this is negative, and this is k. So the vertex is -3, 8. So if we were to plot the vertex, we have -3 and 8. So here is 8. Here's the vertex. Since the parabola is going to open downward, it's going to eventually hit the x-axis. So we're gonna have x-intercepts. So let's go ahead and find the x-intercepts. Now to find the x-intercept, we have to set f of x equal to 0. Or y equals 0. So this becomes 0 equal to -2 x plus 3 squared plus 8. Now this is a quadratic equation. Let's go ahead and solve it using square root property. The reason why we're choosing square root property because we have something, an expression squared. So let me go ahead and take one of them to the other side. So I can take the 8 to the other side, or -2 parentheses x plus 3 squared to the other side. I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to add 2x plus 3 squared. So this is going to cancel on the right side, and we're going to end up with 2x plus 3 squared equal to 8. Now let's get rid of the 2, so we divide by 2 on both sides, and we're going to end up with x plus 3 squared equal to 4. Now using the square root property, we take the square root on both sides, and this is going to be plus or minus, and the square cancels the square root, and what comes out is x plus 3 equal to plus or minus square root of 4 is 2. Now this is going to give me two cases. You have x plus 3 equal to +2, or x plus 3 equal to -2. So solving for x, we subtract by 3 on both sides. We're going to have x equal to 2 minus 3 is -1, and this is one of the x-intercepts, and subtracting 3 here on both sides, and we get x equal -2 minus 3 is -5. So these are your x-intercepts, -1, 0, and -5, 0. So this would be -1, 0. This is one of the x-intercepts, and -5, 0 is your second x-intercept. Now let's go ahead and find the y-intercept. Now to find the y-intercept, we have to set x equal to 0. So find the y-intercept by setting x equal to 0. So we have, let me remind you, the function of f of x is -2 x plus 3 squared equal to plus 8. So f of 0 becomes -2. This becomes 0, so this disappears. You're left with 3 squared plus 8, and that's going to be -2. 3 squared is 9 plus 8. -2 times 9 is -18 plus 8, that's -10. So the y-intercept would be 0, -10. So this would be the y-intercept. Here is -10. Now we need to graph the parabola. So just connecting the dots. And here is your parabola, the graph of our function. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.